What's up, guys? How's it going? Mike the Tech here, and today we're going to check out this brand new heating and fan combo from FairUN. So this is actually really cool because it's a bladeless fan while still supporting both heating and cooling, which is actually pretty rare in bladeless fans. So I'm actually excited to try this out. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my knife here and just slice this open. Easy enough. So we're just going to take this half out. We do have some documentation here. And then the fan itself. Very nicely packaged, perfectly packed in the styrofoam there. Let me just make sure there's nothing else. Nope. That's all. All right, so let's get all this plastic off. The great unveil. So check that out. This is actually a really nice sized fan for like a desk or even just having up in a corner somewhere. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and plug this in because now I've got the capability to plug stuff into my desk, which is actually pretty cool. Makes things a lot easier on the reviewing side. Whoa. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug that in. And whoa, I didn't know it did that. So it actually rotates up and down as well to angle it, which is pretty cool. Interesting. Okay. So I already feel wind blowing out of this, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and press this power button and see what options we have. So once you get to power level 10, it says HH for high level. And if you press it again, it says LL for low level. If we hold it down, it oscillates. So we can see that now it's actually turning on its own. Let's go ahead and take a look because they give us a control as well here. So we're going to go ahead and pull out the plastic here for the remote. And if you'll notice, it has both heating and cooling. So if I go ahead and choose heat, you can see that it actually changes. Our lighting just kind of flickered a little bit because now it's switching to heat. And I could already feel it. So that warms up very quick. And we can raise or lower the temperature as we see fit. Or we could switch it back to fan mode and immediately it ramps back up and it's already getting cool again. So very interesting. You can have cooling, heating, or just regular air as well. You can control oscillation, nighttime mode for quiet use, as well as timers, all from the remote itself. So yeah, very cool offering from FairUN and a pretty cool price too. It offers pretty much everything you need for a small room or office because it's giving you not only the fan itself, but cooling, heating, all that good stuff. So definitely check them out. I'll put a link to them in the description below. And as always, hope you have a good one. Peace.